In front of me is LENOVO Tab P10 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage app notifications on this tablet. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll all the way down and tap on Apps and Notifications. Following that, choose Notifications section and scroll down again. Over here, you need to click on See All from last 7 days. Then click on Most Recent and select the best option for you, in my case Most Frequent. Then tap on the switcher next to an app from which you want to disable notifications, in my case Chrome. As you can see, after that, all notifications from Chrome are disabled. In order to enable them, click on the same switcher. You can also just tap on one of your apps over here and manage all notifications by tapping on this switcher next to all Chrome notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!